unicorns, welcome back. If you're new or you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure to subscribe to my channel because it makes me super happy. And if you're new, welcome to the Kawaii Unicorn family or squad. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. And today I'm going to show you guys how to make this super cute pastel bracelets. Let's get started. It's really cute, so I hope you guys would love making this. And first off, you gotta pick the charms and the tassels or pom-poms or anything you would like to put on your bracelets. I made these by hand, so if you guys would like a tutorial, let me know. Now you have to pick 3 colors of yarn, and for each color you gotta pick 4 strands, and they should cover your hand 3 times. So each strand should cover your hands 3 times, and you will need 4 strands of each color. Now you're going to lay them out properly and just make sure to make a knot. The knot is very simple. You have to make a loop and then pass the smaller part through the loop to get a knot. And now you're going to lay this on your piece of paper or surface, and you're going to put some tape so that it gets stuck to your surface and doesn't move while you're braiding. Braiding is pretty simple. All you have to do is get the color on the corner in the middle, and then the middle one on the corner, and then the other corner one into the middle. It seems a little difficult, but it's pretty easy. And by the way, you can pick any color, as I mentioned earlier. If you want to make this like superhero themed, go ahead and do that. If you want to make it Hello Kitty themed, you can do anything and just pick the colors you would like. So now you're going to braid the whole bracelet, and I also did the same thing with 2 strands per each color. So I would get a smaller braid to put it next to the bigger braid, so it will create a little contrasting thing. So I just tightened up the braids a little bit, and these are the 2 braids, and I tied them together using a piece of yarn. And once that is done, I'm going to place that on my surface and create a knot where the other smaller one ends. So again, you gotta make a loop, and then you're gonna pass through the little piece through the loop to make a knot. Also, it's really easy to make like a little loop so that you could tie the bracelet. I'm gonna show that to you guys in another video, but for now, you guys could easily just tie it on your hand. But you just gotta make a little loop, and then you're gonna tie it with yarn. So this is how it looks, and now I'm going to show you guys how I attached the charms on it. So I picked the cupcake, a few rhinestones, and a little flower just to add a little jazz to it. And also the really cute tassel. I love the tassel. It just adds a little bit of like spice to it. Yeah, and I just used hot glue gun to stick it on. So yeah. I just put it on the little edge where I'm going to be tying it, the little tassel, so that it'd look really cute, and some little rhinestones as well. And if you hear me right now, comment down below, I'm a royal unicorn. This is how it turned out. I think it turned out so cute, and make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!